Okay, it's now time to work on the students export feature, and we'll be exporting the data to an Excel file. So for that, we would be needing a package called Mat Website Excel. So I think I do have that auto completion enabled. So Mat Website Excel. So let's hit enter, and while that is installing, what I want to do is I want to give you a brief overview of that. So we have an export section inside the table component, and this route is already registered for us if you had done that manual automatic installation, so you don't have to do anything. And to configure the export, you may enable the exporting with the export method. So okay, we can also pass in some extra values like the file name, type, label, and you can also customize the export. And okay, we also have one more thing called export as. So what I want to do is I want to disable the export for the actions column. So inside students, what I want to do is I want to pass that to the actions column. So export as false. I want to export other columns, but I don't want to export this. So for that, you can pass that export as. And what do we have? Okay, you can customize the record behavior, so you can append some values and all the other stuff, and you can also pass in the export format. So yeah, you can do a lot of some stuff, some level of customization. So let's go ahead and implement the export feature here. So let's call the export function, and we don't have to do anything else. And about installing the Mat Website Excel package, so that is also mentioned in here. So it uses this package under the hood. So now let's go ahead and test this thing. So we have implemented the export function, and let's reload. Okay, Excel export. We don't have the option to select any of the records. That should be available, but it's not. Okay, we do have a bulk actions feature, so we'll be implementing the bulk delete feature in the future videos, but for now let's go ahead and try this thing. So Excel exports, and so what this does is it's gonna export all of the records. So later we'll be implementing a custom bulk action, so we can select the records and then only export those selected records. So I think we can actually disable this thing, but that's fine. I want to show you the export feature as well. So that's it for this part, and in the next part we'll be implementing bulk delete feature, and in the further videos will be implementing the Excel export for the selected records. So I'll see you guys in the next one.